the different units. You got 0.6, then you got 0.8, and you got a hash mark in between. What does that represent? 0.7. So where would 0.707 be close to? 0.7. Okay, got it. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for the other ones. You're going to plot all those points. Thank you so much. You did a lovely job. Okay, so here's what we have. We have our graph, so we're going to plot those points now that we've created. So we have the sign of 0. We're going to go at the sign of 0 starts at 0. At pi over 4, you're going to plot that point. At pi over 2, 3 pi over 4, and etc. So let's plot that point, and let's see what that looks like. And then I need a fine person to come up and plot those points on the graph up here. Beautiful job. Lovely. It's art. I see some perfectionists here. Yeah. I'm going to put up. Thank you. I'm done. We're on our way. Awesome. That's all right. You know, just so that we get the idea, because you did a perfect job on your paper. The smartboard sometimes it has to be recalibrated every time it kind of shakes. Oh, the camera moves. That's okay. Do the best with what we got here. That's all right. Ah, that's lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, so again, when we were looking at the values of our graph, decimal values, okay? So in the first quadrant of our unit circle, our values are increasing. And where does it end, the first quadrant? At what value? Pi over 2, 90 degrees. And then it starts to go down. But remember, sine is positive in what two quadrants? 1 and 2. And guess what? My sine is positive in the first half. All right? It's in the upper end. Then what happens after 180? My values became what? Negative. So sine is negative in what two quadrants? 3 and 4. Hence, it's negative in 3 and 4 here. Okay, so you're going from 180 to 360, and it happens to be negative in both those quadrants. That's why my values here are negative. So now I have a full cycle of my sine wave. So let's talk about cycles. All right, a cycle means it completes a whole revolution. All right, so it goes through 360, and then if I went again past 360, if I went to 420, found my coterminal angle, all right, my sine wave is going to continue. It's a continuous function. All right, so now it's going to continue. So now, within 2 pi, how many cycles do I have? I see one full cycle of a sine wave. One full cycle. Guess what? That's y equals sine of x. All right, my general form of an equation is y equals, we have to go? We'll do it over